We've got 13 MPs. What do they do for me? What do they do for us? Nothing. So I believe that, and we're not 100% sure, we're still doing all the homework on, how many marginal seats are there in the parliament, okay? I mean, you're looking at 56, 57 seats. Parliament is only 560 seats. That's a lot of seats, but so that's almost 10%. Hey, you got to think about me.
As in, there's got to be more than 10% is what you're saying.
I mean, I believe that if we
even get to 10%,
if you can even get to 8% or 5% to 7%, this vision of BPF and going towards the political side, because all of a sudden, once you're represented, then it's a different story, right? Yeah. Then you have something to look forward to.